Hi friends, I am Sajid here. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to test the reverse charging capabilities test on the Mi11 device. As you can see friends, so this is a Mi11 smartphone and which has the very good fast charging support and even reverse fast charging support as well. The phone can easily charge up to 10 watt of reverse charging. So that's another interesting thing to test on this Mi11 device. And right now I do have the Poco X3 as an example which I have taken here. So here I do have the two different cables. So one is with the type C to type C cable, another with the normal type C to USB cable, as you can see. So let's see friends which cable will be able to get the maximum out of this reverse charging by using this kind of technology. So meanwhile I'll try to keep the tracking on this charging as well. So this application which I am trying to use. So here you can see the minimum and maximum charging speed rate as well, how it will be displaying. So this will be the very good example to demonstrate you reverse charging capabilities. So let me try to quickly connect the first. Let me try to charge with the type C to type C. So let me connect the type C cable first on the Mi11 and then on the Poco X3. So let's see whether this sequence will work in charging or not. Sometimes the sequence need to be different. I think the sequence need to be different. So right now Mi11 phone is charging, so let me try to disconnect. And I think first Poco X3 should be connected and then Mi11. So right now you can see friends, I connected the device successfully and no data transfer, and you can see that it started to charge as well. You can see on the top notification bar clearly, and you can see the maximum charging rate, it's up to 700 milliamperes. So it's reaching 740. So maximum we got about 751. So I'll try to keep this phone for about maybe a couple of minutes, and again I'll be back after keeping the phone side for a couple of minutes and just checking on. So let's see what will be the message will be coming here. Fast charging. So it says not just charging, so which is saying fast charging as well. So that's another interesting thing to test here. So let's test friends what things will be going on. So here is the charging cable which I connected, type C to type C cable, and let me bring complete cable here to show you that I'm charging only by using this both phones, as you can see in this demonstration. So let's see friends, after a couple of minutes again I'll be back, and let's see which cable is the perfect choice for reverse charging technology. And meanwhile make sure to subscribe and follow me for this kind of unique videos which I'll be doing in my channel. As you can see friends, after a couple of minutes, and let me try to select the application so which I'll be demonstrating you. So let me try to quickly show you this application results. So the maximum it got charged up to 1255 milliamperes, as you can see. So let me try to show you the graph how it's charging as well. So you can see friends, it did maintain around 1250 amperes, so which is another good advantage. So if you keep this kind of speed, you can see the charging rate 1% charge for 4 minutes. So you can see, so when I turn on the phone, then it starts to decrease the charging rate because I'm consuming the phone. So right now, so overall the maximum is about 1255 milliamperes for the first 5 minutes of testing. So let me try to disconnect this type C cable and keep it side. And now let me try to select the another cable, so which is a normal cable. So let's see what will happen with this kind of reverse charging using the USB cable, not the type C one. So right now I successfully connected friends. I kept the type C adapter to the Mi11 device. So here is the Mi11 and here is a Poco X3 smartphone. It's showing the charging but not fast charging. I think the phone is not charging very fast. So you can see the graph and you can see the maximum. Again I'll be back after 5 minutes. So let's see what will be the charging. Let me try to show you the charging. As you can see, so before it showed fast charging and now it's saying only charging. As you can see, the difference is, I think the overall difference might be with the cables as well. So if you want the maximum out of the Mi11 to charge the other phones, so it's better to choose the type C to type C cable. So if you choose the type C to type C cable, the chances are that your phone might get fast charging than normal charging. So let's see friends what will happen after 5 minutes of charging this Poco X3. As you can clearly see, I'm trying to charge only from the Mi11 smartphone to the Poco X3. As you can see, I'm not using any other external power supply. So again I'll be back after a couple of minutes. So right now you can see friends, it's been a while charging the device. So let me try to open the phone and try to show you the results. So as you can see, the maximum charging rate is only 432. As you can see, the maximum charging rate, and before it was maximum up to 1200, that is a maximum, but right now it's maintaining only 400 milliamperes. That's a really low speed, as you can see. So overall friends, the results are quite shocking, that if you use only the type C to type C cable, so then the reverse charging might work as it was supposed to be. If you use a normal USB cables, the reverse charging doesn't work very fast enough in this Mi11 device. So make sure to get one type C to type C USB cable and then try the charging, then it will be definitely speeding up the process. And for more this kind of interesting comparison and interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends, SciTech Guru. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.